Hey guys! Today I will share with you my most used techniques to blend my graphite pencils. So, without further ado, let's get started! Blending graphite pencils is a key technique in creating smooth gradients and realistic texture in drawing. The first method for me is layering, so blending with additional layers. In this method, gradually I build up layers of graphite, starting with the lighter tones and moving to the darker ones. The gradual build-up and blending of layers create a smooth, deep gradient. A tip that I can give to you is to use different grades of pencils, HB, 2B, 4B, to achieve the range of tones. And if you don't know what grades in pencils means, please see my other video in which I explain in details the types and the pencil's grade. Another method that I use to blend the graphite pencils is to use blending stamps. These are tightly rolled paper sticks with pointed ends. You can use them to blend small areas or create smooth transitions between different tones. Lightly rub the stamp over the graphite to soften and blend the edges. A tip that I want to give to you is to clean the stamp between uses by rubbing it on sandpaper to avoid transferring unwanted graphite on the new drawing. Another method that I use a lot is the cotton swabs. These are excellent for blending small or detailed areas. The cotton tip allows precise control. Try to change the swabs frequently to prevent oversaturation with graphite, though. Another method that I use a lot is to use tissues or soft cloth to cover especially larger areas. Wrap the tissue, the kitchen paper for example, around your finger and gently rub over the graphite to blend it smoothly. Try to use circular motion to ensure an even blend. Last but not least, the brushes. Soft brushes like makeup or paint brushes like this flat brush can be used for very fine and soft blending, particularly for larger areas or to create a soft, easy effect. Make sure the brush is clean to avoid smudging unwanted graphite across your drawing though. And that's it, guys. These were the 5 best ways that I use to blend graphite pencils. Please let me know in a comment below if there is any other techniques that you are using and that you want to share with all the community. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to don't miss any other content. See you next time. Moi moi!